going to go pick up my friend and we're going to go do a photo. So I just put gas in my car. Guys, my friend got me a donut. So now my friend and I are shopping. So my friend tried on this weird thing.
Should I be in toddlers and tiaras now?
Yes. Oh my gosh. What even is this? Guys, look what we just found. It's a One Direction guitar pillow.
Rip Zane.
Oh my. So, we just got lunch, and I got some fried rice. What did you get?
I got myself some water with a lot of lemon, and then nudes and a egg roll. And we're out here in this like hella date-ish area, so we're basically on a date.
Yes, we are. Look at my friend's cat. It's so cute. Milo. Hi. Comment down below what your favorite animal is. So I went to the grocery store the other day and I got brownie mix. So I'm going to be making some brownies. So the brownies are done and oh my gosh, they smell so good. Now I'm going to eat them. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already.